What's up, YouTube? It's your boy M.O.D. on your TV, cell phone, or tablet, computer, whatever. It don't matter. But what matters is I don't condone any of this. The only time I do is on my downtime when I ain't got nothing to do, and I mean nothing. This is for entertainment purposes only. I mean, entertainment purposes only. If I ain't said that right the first time. But anyway, yeah, we got another reaction video. Let me get myself out the way. All the way out the way. Let me see. Minimize. Boom. Yeah, let me go ahead and read this out for y'all. So we got a motorcycle. I ain't watched the video yet. Of course, I always wait for y'all to come join the party. But yeah, a motorcyclist hits 146 while fleeing Arkansas State trooper, and it happened on Friday, March 6, 2026. So, oh yeah, so yeah, this wasn't long ago, like a week and a half, depending when you watch it, maybe a year. But anyway, 10:25 a.m. early in the morning. Trooper grubs badge number blah 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 patrolling, traveling westbound, black motorcycle. All right, whatever. Let's get into the video. Let me bring this up full screen because we need everything. Boom. Shout out to LRN or LRHN Cash. When people do reaction content, I usually see good videos from them. Not many motorcycles, so I thought it was only right. Your boy stepped in. I'll try and fast forward till we see something. I don't want to waste y'all time. Mind you. Oh, there you go. Okay, early in the morning, sky. A little bit of overcast. The location, I'll be speeding too. I ain't gonna lie. Not speeding, but doing a little bit of spirited riding. But yeah, we on. Oh wait, let me get that out the way. 110, 115, 20. It was an all black bike. Oh, I guess they slowed down or
unlicensed black motorcycle.
Oh yeah, that's a crotch rocket.
Yeah,
That's a real bike right there.
Black helmet, no license plate.
He looked like he tucked in, so he ready for action. Oh, but he's leaning though. Why is he riding on the? He ain't good in the curve. And that's like a sweeping curve. Not even a sweeping curve. That's just a curve in the road, and he all over it. Taking up 4, 5, 6 lanes if you count the motorcycle positions, 3 in each one. Let's get technical. Look at him. Oh, now I see you. So he was practicing from a tuck angle. Now he gassed up, so he ready. He got on motorcycle jacket, helmet. Looked like he geared up. So
I got his attention. He slowed down.
And he was practicing. So let's see what he learned. Tell me shit up. Scoot back in his seat. Oh, he pulled over. What lights do those in the back? Look like it's 600. No. What tail lights though? On an SV6.
Stop the bike! Stop it! Stop!
He said, "Stop it!" Like, please, run. Okay, I will. Don't. Oh, you shifting gears? You see? Oh yeah, he on time with the gears. Like his practicing paid off. Oh no. He should have been past that car that's in front of him.
This stage right now, I'm going to say whether you have any traffic spot.
Well, he ain't shy with the throttle. 140 by the trooper. I know the bike. If you ain't adjust the sprockets or whatever and got it tuned, the speedometer can be accurate at 160 or 600. That wasn't a 1000 because he would have banged through all the gears in first. He would have hit 100 real quick in first without shifting gears like that. So that's a 600, maybe 750. But those weren't Gixxer tail lights. So love that sound. Love that sound.
It's going to be a white male with black, brown beard, black helmet. It's going to have some lime green on Cemetery taking. We're passing the multi circle, so I'm not doing it. Coming up on Ira Williams next.
Well, he know what he's doing because he hitting them curves, but we can't see him. So he ride. Confident on that bike. Look at him. Oh my boy. Yeah, I know it look grainy, huh? That's what the motorcycle is seeing right now. When you get to a certain gear, start looking like that. Better be full tuck, hide behind the windshield, and to blow it over you. If you know, you know. Yeah, if you do it right, you should disappear. And he disappeared. See? Trooper at 105, slowing down. I don't hear no motorcycle revving. With all the bumps I've seen, he gotta know this road. Damn, every time I see a black trash can, I think that's the bike on the side of the road. Not to say that the bikers been letting you down in these reaction videos. It's just different to see a bike actually disappear how they supposed to. Wonder how the video ends. Oh, look like he don't see nothing for the rest of the way. That boy go. Where you at? I see Cager spawning. I ain't see no motorcycle. the perfect kind of road to perfect sweeps, curves, nothing real sharp where you got to slow all the way down. Where you go too fast, you'll probably try to get the knee down and hit brakes and drop it because it was too quick.
This is the
Yeah, it's
most
over.
anticipated smart security
You went
camera
so
of the year.
fast.
No internet connection needed. No.
Damn, commercial break went. Oh, that's it. It's over. Well, we got what we came for. Yeah. Nothing to say. Nothing to say. Respect. Rider level 10. I'm out. Gone.
We have a motorcycle attempting to evade. He's in and out of traffic. I lost sight of him. We might need air support.